Welcome to our next episode of DecentMed Spotlight. Today, we're here with a functional medicine practitioner and a physician assistant. She's the founder of Optimal Root Wellness. Lorna, introduce yourself.
Hi, Sam. Thank you so much for having me on your platform. It is a privilege and honor to be here. My name is Lorna, physician assistant and founder of Optimal Root Wellness, as Sam mentioned. I take a holistic approach and go beyond symptom management to help transform one's health. So, if you hear someone say, I know something is wrong, but no one can figure out why I have issues, such as brain fog, chronic fatigue, pain, etc., that is who I help by finding the root cause of your symptoms. Traditional medicine often focuses on managing symptoms, typically through prescription medications. Here at Optimal Root Wellness, we take a deeper system based approach. Your health is evaluated at the molecular level using specialty testing, advanced tools that I have, and my functional medicine expertise. And this allows us to interpret the signals that your body is sending and uncover what is truly driving your symptoms while supporting your physiology to restore balance and homeostasis. The goal is not just symptom relief, but a meaningful transformation in your overall health and well being. Well, if you hear someone say, I know something's wrong, but no one can figure it out, or if you're just, tired of being tired or just having so many symptoms, even after being told that your labs are normal, you would be the perfect candidate to come into my office. I can definitely help you. In 2017, I faced my own health challenges, including a noticeable decline in focus and memory. And despite seeking care, I was left without clear answers. So I was driven to find solutions, and I just immersed myself in research to uncover the root cause and eventually connected with a local practitioner who truly understood my health dilemma. And within 6 months, my symptoms resolved, and I was not only resolved, but I was able to achieve a level of cognitive clarity beyond my expectation. And that experience became the foundation and the door that opened my journey to the work that I do today. In addition to my clinical experience of over 24 years, of which the bulk of it is rooted in traditional healthcare, my functional and integrative medicine expertise came from advanced certification programs through the American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine, aka A4M, and the Karazian Institute. And there I received comprehensive foundational training in what I do today. Well, here at Optimal Root Wellness, your care is thoughtfully designed to set you up for lasting success. This is a personalized, patient centered experience focused on uncovering the root cause of your health challenges. It's not just merely managing symptoms. So, the goal is to guide you towards a true transformation in your health. So you will come in and begin with a 4-month, what I call foundational program, an immersive experience that includes a comprehensive 90-minute deep dive evaluation, followed by 3 60-minute in-depth sessions. And this program also includes a personalized roadmap, ongoing support, direct messaging access, and continued education, ensuring you feel guided and supported every step of the way. And upon completion of the foundational program, our patients are strongly encouraged to continue with the 4-month restoration program, where your care evolves through ongoing refinement, deeper investigation, and advanced optimization once foundational issues have been addressed. And for those who need additional guidance, we have coaching support that's available to help you navigate challenges and sustain meaningful lifestyle changes. I am a proud member and diplomat of the A4M organization, and every year I attend multiple conferences to stay at the forefront of emerging research and clinical advancement. The guidelines I follow are all evidence-based and research-driven. So through these experiences, I have cultivated meaningful interactions with industry leaders and internationally recognized speakers and have become a familiar presence within the professional community at A4M. Yes, when necessary and appropriate. So I do prioritize natural approaches and use prescriptions only as a second line option, aiming for the lowest effective dose and for the shortest duration possible. Optimal health outcomes often require a collaborative, team-based approach. While optimal root wellness may appear to have a single provider, care is supported by a broader network of expertise. When treatment does not yield the expected results, it does not necessarily reflect failure, but rather the need for deeper evaluation of contributing factors. So I do a few things in these cases. Number one, I do collaborate with our medical director, and his name is Dr. Larry Skeet, and we discuss, your situation. And number two, I do engage trusted colleagues within my integrative medicine network across the country on your behalf to provide additional insight while helping to minimize unnecessary time, cost, and travel for you, my patient. And when appropriate, I also consult with and refer to specialists within the traditional healthcare system. Letting go of my most cherished foods was not easy, but over time, I discovered new delicious options that awakened my taste buds. I began to see food not just as enjoyment, but as powerful medicine. I learned to eat to nourish my body, not just satisfy cravings. So today I choose foods that taste good and support my health. This transformation wasn't easy, but it has been deeply worthwhile, a true shift in mindset and lifestyle. I had to learn what felt like an entirely new culture, developing an appreciation for new foods, understanding the science behind what nature offers, and building discipline with exercise and stress management. So this transformation happened through small, consistent steps, supported by a practitioner who provided accountability, encouragement, and hope. And ultimately, it came down to my level of commitment. But I was determined to create positive change at all costs. Well, it has been said, genetics load the gun, lifestyle pulls the trigger, and I believe that was quoted by Dr. Oz. So the field of epigenetics explores how lifestyle and environmental factors influence gene expression and offers insight into steps that can be taken to help prevent those genes from being activated. So the bottom line is your genes are not your destiny. Your choices matter. And I personally am living proof. I would have started my own health journey to recovery much sooner, by 3 decades. I came up with a quote: those who thrive in their health are the ones willing to embrace change.
Now that people have an idea about optimal root wellness, what is functional medicine?
Functional medicine uses a systems-based approach to transform a person's health. It addresses the root causes of health problems, seeking to look deeper on a cellular level. This involves a comprehensive evaluation when you come in, and for me, connecting the dots and providing you meaningful answers to your unresolved health concerns.